Okay, we have a Southwestern Industries Proto-TRAK CNC toolroom lathe, model TRL1440EX, serial number 143DH937. This machine was new in 2014 and we are running it. Again, the machine has a TRAK ELX control. We're running right now at a 225 RPM. Machine has a D14 CAMLOCK spindle. Right now it has a 5C nose piece on it. We have a lever type 5C collar closer that goes with it. 60, that's the lowest RPM. You have from 60 up to 2400. It's a bit faster, 500 RPM. Machine has that lever type collar closer, also a 3-jaw chuck, a Dorian tool, quick change tool post. 850 RPM. $1,700. Okay. Seen high, low, medium speeds. He's moving the cross slide or the carriage left and right, the Z-axis. All right, that's your Z. Your X. You have 14-inch swing. You have 7 inches of cross-slide travel. Oh, swing over the cross-slide, 8 inches of cross-slide travel. He's moving the hand wheel. If you want to use the manual mode, it's digital hand wheel. Machine turns into a digital readout to control. Okay. And you have the tailstock, which is a number 3 Morse taper. You have 5 inches of manual travel. All right. Great. Thank you for watching our video.